What's up, beautiful people? So I want to welcome you back to my 365 saving and investment challenge, where I save the sum of 1000 every single day for 365 days. So today is day 157 and I just added another 1000 using this platform called PiggyVest. We also have other platform we are using to save and invest, but for today's video we just want to make use of PiggyVest. So for you to get started with PiggyVest, I'm going to be leaving link in the video description and also in the comment section. Once you are done clicking on the link and you're done with the registration, this is the interface you're going to see. Okay, so the money tip I have for you guys today is that it doesn't matter how much you save. What matters is how consistently you do it. You see, that little step you take could lead to bigger win. Now, in case you are coming across this video for the first time and you feel like, it seems like I'm very late to this challenge, I want to let you know that it is not too late. It is never too late. I want you to start today. Okay, yes, go ahead and do something for me. Click the like button because we are going to be uploading videos about this every single day, and I personally want you to click on that subscription button, okay, so you don't miss tomorrow's updates. Now, in case you are looking for ways you can be able to make money, or ways you want your money to make more money for you, right? You see this video you are seeing on the screen right now? Yes, I want you to click on that video right now. Keep winning, guys, and always remember that Leo loves you. And until next time, I'm going to see you again, my friend.